Is that I would like to take you all is this link, learnomicslogic.com, and many of you have already created the login for the same. And it's really good that you've been able to create a profile for yourself. So once you get it, and if you have to describe this entire platform, which includes the courses, the training, and all of it through a single place, I would recommend you to use this link, and you can share it with the participants and or your fellows who are interested in learning about this. So it includes the coursework, the asynchronous coursework that you just learned about, and then it includes the different type of questions that we are working on through different projects and the different technologies that we are using. So you can see that different kind of project examples are available on the platform, on this portal, that you can take through this program. So this different projects are also on different techniques that are being used and discussed in today's meeting. And then we discussed about also the TBA Info platform, and you can obviously create a get a login as soon as you create your registration. So from this to the specialized coursework. So we also looked into the different steps that are required for us to learn about this transcriptomics data analysis. Similarly, in this course segment on lesson number 5, on course number 5, you will find as many as 23 lessons on this different transcriptomics data analysis. So you'll find short tutorials, you'll find explanation of all the things that we discussed today. So many of you who would not been able to understand some of the keywords that have been used, all of those are well described in this coursework, so which the participants will have to go through during the entire program. So as I was telling you that here these are short tutorials, videos, and also that you can just read and replicate on the server. Now from this coursework, now let's go to the program. Now this is the program, and we are really happy to start this program from 1st December, and it will be available throughout the winter. But the live sessions which are scheduled with this program, which will give you a stepwise, guidance with mentors to go through this, all the topics are available on this page itself. So here you will find out the entire schedule, which you can obviously download from this using this button. So let me start from the beginning. So first December, we have the first overview session, which will be about mRNA biology. As the first step is to start with the basic training and understand the methods of RNA quantification, understand the mRNA library preparation, and then understand the different technologies that are used for data generation. And then you have the associated online resources where all of this is well explained. Along with that, you will find a video tutorial that explains the entire session as well. So after that, we have the second session on 6th December, which will be about doing the hands-on on practical RNA-seq, designing a pipeline for RNA-seq analysis. There you will understand about the different algorithms that are being used, and then you'll understand about the different mapping strategies and what are the different methods, overview of statistical methods that you will be going to use for such analysis. Followed by that, we have a session on project, so giving you an understanding of how a project is designed around precision medicine. So how researchers have used transcriptomics data and other clinical data to design a project and work on a project and publish a project on precision medicine. And there's a paper assigned to it, and you will be going through a course which will give you a proper guidance that how can you design yourself a bioinformatics research project. So after this review session, which is planned on 9th December, we will be going to the technical sessions starting from 13th December. That will be about the different data techniques, loading techniques for R and Python. And then we will go into much detail of how to do statistical analysis. And here we will be starting to do some exploratory analysis using PCA. We will go for some of the testing like t-test and statistical analysis for RNA-seq data. Followed by that, we will have a lot of visualizations that are very, very important to understand the nature of the data, the pattern that you get from the data and understand and then design the strategies based on the information that you get from these specific data sets. So visualization is a important tool for that, and we'll be using R and Python, which is also available on the tutorials are already available on the transcriptomics section that you will be able to go through and also replicate with the mentors using during the live session. And then we have on 23rd much deeper analysis about all these techniques, where we are going to use advanced techniques for different type of data analysis. Like here you will see examples, and also you will see the associated online resources which are just available here for you all the time. So you can, if you are going through the tutorials and if you are advancing, then you can obviously complete some of these sessions and have a very productive Q&A session where you can clarify all your doubts. If you have some project ideas, you can discuss that too. So it would be great for you to start as soon as possible and go through some of these sessions that we have listed out. And it involves going through these several topics that are important for any good analysis or any meaningful analysis for your transcriptomics data. Now, from learning from these different techniques, going by one session after another, we are going to then connect this, how this data that you obtain from different statistical analysis, starting from raw read to structuring the data into table of expression, then using machine learning and different advanced statistics methods, and then connecting it to the biology. So once you get the results, how do you connect it with the biology and understand that what was the question that was getting answered through this sort of analysis. And that is one of the key advantages of omics logic programs, because they are focused on the logic of analysis and not just the techniques. It's a technique itself. Similarly, we will have a session on single cell RNA-seq methods that we described in today's session. And followed by that, we will have sessions on projects. Now, once you have learned about all of this, and once you have a deeper understanding of how you can apply these methods to some of the data sets that you have already worked on, example data sets that I just showed you, there is an opportunity to design your own work, design your own data sets, because there's a lot of opportunities, a lot of publicly available data sets that are available for to answer different questions that are not being asked. So we have several examples that we will be discussing during this session, and give you an opportunity to discuss and submit your own project proposal that could be reviewed by the experts. So that's how the entire program is designed, and it will be sessions will be done mostly bi-weekly, and you'll get ample time to do things on your own, because you will have an option to go through the session, go through the recording, and go through the coursework which is available online, go through the TIBA Info platform which is also available online. And many of these things you can be able to do on portable devices that you can carry with yourself as well. So after going through this entire training, you'll be able to get some of the things that is mentioned here. And then I'll come back to the different licensing system that would enable you to get all of these resources, plus the mentor guidance and the support that we will be providing you throughout this entire journey. So all you have to do is to register, and then our team will reach out to you with all the resources that we discussed today. And if you have any questions and confusions, you can always let us know, and we'll be happy to help. So here we have 3 levels: beginners, intermediate, and advanced. And this is for an entire month of training, entire month of access to all the resources. And then throughout this program, you will get. So the difference between these 3 different levels is that whatever we discussed, all of that is, included in the beginners subscription. So if you are subscribing for the beginners license, all of which what we discussed today, you'll get all the access here. The additional thing that you get in an intermediate license is option to plan your own meeting with the mentor at your own convenient time. That is like one-on-one support, mentor support, and the time with the mentor to discuss your own problems or issues that you face during the entire period of this training. And then the advanced license helps you design or work on bigger projects where you have like a lot of data that you think you can process and analyze, and the team helps you design that sort of project and help you work on that kind of project, as well as gets you some additional time to complete all of what we have just discussed in this training program. So that is about it. It's very simple. It's a simple link here that you will find in the program section, and you can start your subscription, and then our team will get back to you and share with you all the resources. And if you miss any of the sessions, if you miss any of the emails, we will be available online through different mediums, where you can let us know that you're not getting something, and we'll be able to help you with that as well. So if there are any questions, we'll be happy to help you with the questions as you complete the sessions. So once we are going through those sessions one by one, and as you complete the sessions, you'll get a certification, as Sonalika has already showed you all. So this is about the program, and this is about the training, and I'm hoping that many of you will be joining us for this research based training, and we'll be